this idea of Kenyanness in appointive positions, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, JSC is a very important component in dispensation of justice into this country. Judges get appointed through JSC, magistrates get appointed through JSC, and when a government turns rogue, and there is nothing stopping this from becoming so, it is only the courts of law that can apply brakes to a rogue government, Honorable Speaker. I am very afraid, and this is an emerging trend within this House, that debate is curtailed by people who constantly say, put the question. Honorable Speaker, what happened to the debates within this House, Honorable Speaker? And that is why people residing in State House have the temerity to tell us how to vote a particular way on bills coming to this House, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, I challenge this House to step back, reflect, and retool as they discharge their mandate given to them by the people of Kenya, Honorable Speaker. I support the appointment of Ajuoga in this respect, Honorable Speaker, and I thank you. And not Ruto.
The Honorable Pukose.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I stand to support the appointment of